Okay, so carrying on then, we have a circle, half of it darker than the other, and this is the brightness and contrast tool. And if I press this allows us to adjust sliders for the minimum and maximum of the image, and that is a way to adjust the brightness and contrast. In this case, we have an 8-bit image, and that means that the pixel values are of the range from 0 to 255. If I move a mouse over the image, you can see in the bottom right hand corner what the values of the pixels are. And we have 3 values, one for the red, one for the green, one for the blue channel. And what the minimum and maximum are doing is basically saying every pixel with a value below the minimum is going to be shown as black, and every pixel with a value above the maximum is going to be shown as white. The sliders might be a little hard to control. I can actually double click on any of these, and I can type in the number that I want to apply if I want a finer control over the brightness and contrast. But there's more happening in this command or under this panel than the name might suggest, and that is that we can actually access these color transforms that I've already showed you, the digital stain separation and so on. And so if I click on these, it can give us different ways of adjusting the pixel values, some visualizations that will become more meaningful whenever we see how they relate to things like cell detection later. But we can make these modifications, visualize the color transforms, and then this will also impact upon the pixel values that we see in the bottom right hand corner of the image. And so the stain separation is using the standard kind of color deconvolution approach. And this then helps explain why whenever I type a number, it will digitally separate the stains. If I press 2, 3, so on, it's basically going through the list of these available color transforms. If I have a different image type, then you can see that the color transforms change. And although we don't have a fluorescence image, I'm just going to briefly pretend in this case. And you can see that being able to press a number in a fluorescence image can be quite useful, because you might have multiple channels and you can turn each channel on and off independently by typing the number of that channel. But I will quickly revert to the appropriate image type in this case.